Hi, today I'm making fried cabbage and ham. Now, this is actually one of my favorite Thanksgiving leftovers, and the reason it is because I usually do have leftover ham, and although it makes delicious ham sandwiches and a potato au gratin casserole, one of the ways that you can repurpose your ham is to add it to cabbage. This very simple recipe just requires a large head of cabbage, a large onion, a ham steak is what I'm using to demonstrate this recipe. Typically, I would have leftover ham. And so you're going to slice the cabbage thin, as well as slice the onion thin as well. And with about 3 tablespoons, maybe 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, you're going to begin to heat that on a low, and then season your cabbage with onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Okay, and once the oil has heated, you're going to go ahead and add your cabbage, and you're going to constantly stir until it is wilted. Next, you're going to add the onions, and then I just add those last because they cook down pretty fast. So after they start to become translucent, I'm going to cover the cabbage and turn it on low. Now, with my ham steak, I'm going to actually fry this ham separately. So I'm going to cut this ham steak up into small cubes, as you can see. And the reason I'm frying it separately is that because of the cured brown sugar that's in it, sometimes it'll turn the cabbage brown. So it's easier for me to fry it in a separate skillet and then add the ham back to the cabbage while it's cooking. So here I'm just preparing the ham. Once it's done, and just it only takes about 5 minutes because it's already pre-cooked. I'm adding the cabbage to the ham, the onions, and here is a Thanksgiving leftover meal. Okay, it has some vegetables in it. We've been eating starches from the wonderful Thanksgiving feast, and so this is an easy to make meal and a great use of your leftover ham.